Let's go. Huh? The 12x is what? Out of place?
Yeah.
And the y, so you gotta, in our standard form, the x's are together in a parenthesis, and the y's are together in a parentheses, and we are assuming that negative 27 is our radius squared, according to this formula, right? But we gotta fix that. We gotta take this and put it in standard form. So what would be the first step? Think about if we were doing laundry. You will put what all together, what goes all together here, and what should go all together here. We already know the 27 is supposed to represent the radius. What did they give us right here with this y squared? What can we call that? The y squared, right? You can just bring it on down. What do you know about the coordinate for a y squared? What would that coordinate be?
0.
Yeah, you see that because it's no what? It's nothing being subtracted, it's nothing being added. So you can already see that your y coordinate should be 0. There's nothing added or subtracted. There's no k value. Do y'all see that? That's why it's just y squared? Yes? We confirming that? Good. So we know that our y value is 0, as stated in every question. So we're not closer yet. The problem is, what are we going to do with this x squared and this 12x? What's the first thing I should do? Put them all together, correct?
Yeah.
So if I put them together as x squared plus 12x, now this looks like a quadratic. Now, for those that got me in algebra, when we talked about quadratic or completing the square, this is what you're going to have to do. And if you don't have me for algebra, watch this because y'all should be doing this in your algebra classes. Because we got an x squared plus 12x, we got to make it look like x minus h. And whatever we do on this side of the equal sign, we got to do on this side of the equal sign. So if you got a quadratic, you got to open this up. You're dealing just like that Rubik's Cube. You got to open this up. 12x, create some space here. You still keep your y squared because we already know that that's 0. And then we'll have 27 and some more space here. Tom, we did some of these last year.
Did we?
Yeah, we did. Complete the square. I'm just seeing if you remember. Who remembers, or can anybody remember how would we complete the square? What's the first step? You do what to the middle term? Can't combine it because one is x squared, one is 12x. Something about divide b by 2 and square it. Yes? So you would take the middle term. Please watch.
Yeah.
Take the middle term, you'll divide it by 2, and you got to square it. You got to take the middle term, divide it by 2, and square it. Well, what's 12 divided by 2?
6.
What's 6 to the second power? So you, hold on, watch. You add 36 here, and you add 36 here. Whatever you do to the left, you got to do to the right. Let me make a minor correction that's real. This is really negative 27. I'm about to play myself. So, Isaac back. Let's see what he got. What you get?
66.
Let's cook. That number's still climbing. Here.
Control.
Good job.
That's what we said last time.
It was, it's all about cosine and tangent.
Yep, cosine, tangent, and we right here with them circles. So you right on time, Isaac. We picking up on these circles. 66 to the face, hating us out. Good job.
All right, thank you.
Crazy. All right, so look, watch what's about to happen.
I'm sorry, Leroy.
Watch what's about to happen, chat. We have to complete the square to do this. Let's do the easy side. On the outside here, you got negative 27 plus 36. What's that, mate? Negative 27 plus 36. Come on, OJ. 9. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Our chat, our radius is 9. What do we know about 9 and it having to be squared? So what would you think? If this is radius squared equals 9, if I unsquare it, the answer got to be what?
3.
So you already know you can cancel out this middle one because it already got the radius as 9. We need the radius squared which makes it 9. So now our answer either got to be 1 or 3. Let's keep cooking. Spironi. Hold on. Tom thinks it's 1. So let's check. Tom, I need now, because this quadratic, in order to complete the square, I now need 2 numbers that multiply to make 36 that add to make 12. Nice. 6 and 6. So hold on. Think about it. It's x squared. X squared. That means we took both of these x's apart. And we got x plus 6 and x plus 6. Well, hold on. Hold on, chat. What's x plus 6 times x plus 6? Okay, I'll give you a hint. What's x times x? It'll be x squared, not 2x. That's x plus x. What's x times x, huh? X squared. So what's x plus 6 times x plus 6? No. What's x squared? What's x times x? Don't even do the 6's. What's x? X squared. So what's x plus 6 times x plus 6?
Plus 36.
No, don't give me the 36.
What? X to the power of 2 plus 36.
No. What?
X.
Watch.
X plus 100.
X times x makes what? X squared if they're both in the parentheses. X times x will make parentheses x squared. So what would x plus 6 times x plus 6 make? X plus 6 what? It will make x plus 6 squared. If x times x is squared, x times plus 6 times x plus 6 becomes x plus 6 squared. So hold on. So hold on. So hold on. So now, and you told me x plus 6 plus x plus 6 makes x plus 6 squared, yes? And then what else can I bring down? X plus 6 squared plus what? Plus y squared has to equal what? 9. Well, now this is our equation. What can I tell from this equation? What do we know? If it's in the parentheses, it's opposite, correct? So if it's in the parentheses, it's opposite, correct?
Yes.
So if I got x plus 6 in the parentheses, what should my x be? Negative 6 and a 0. Good, Sophie. And then if you unsquare 9, you get what?
3.
So what's my answer then, Dylan?
3.
Nice job. Good call. Good call, Bash. See how you did? You called that out too, Ronzi. You right. I give you a piece. Chat, can I slide into today's lesson? Hello? No, we don't. We ain't doing that. That's only one on there. It's the only thing. I use that. So look. Our answer, our shape became x plus 6 squared. So hold on. Stay with me. Stay with me. This how this about to lead into today's madness. Ready? Watch. You need notes. What was that? What was that you gave me? It was what? Somebody give me that formula for a circle again. See what I'm saying?
X.
Parentheses x minus h squared plus parentheses y minus k squared.
Okay.
Because radius squared.
Plus, say it again, Doc.
Plus parentheses y minus k squared equals radius squared.
Watch this. Hold on. Aaron, Angel, need y'all to be locked in. So from that is our equation of a circle. This H and this K, right? These are my what now? This is called the what? This is your what of a circle? My dog. Center of a circle. Hold on. Let's go. Let's let that lead right into today's madness. That H and K represents this circle. Yes? And you just told me that H and K is now the center of a circle. Uh-oh. So this is now the center. Lock in, chat, because I need y'all to get this. H and K is our center. Right? This led into where we had two angles. Where we had an angle from here, right? This led into that next lesson where I had an angle. And then from that angle, this angle made an arc. Is it ringing a bell yet? And then this arc had a point of A, B, let's say this center, we'll call it C, right? And then from there, we had in the arc, there was this little symbol here. It was called like theta, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? And theta could be in what terms?
Degrees
And
radians.
degrees and radians. Very good. So let's say if I wanted to know the length of this arc, you had this formula last week. That was the equation of a circle. You had arc length formula. Who remembers that? In degrees. Don't worry, it's only in your notes.
Isn't it degrees?
Uh-oh, wait, but what do we call degrees in this case was what?
Theta.
Theta times,
Pi.
uh-oh, it's ringing a bell.
Times radius.
Times radius divided by what?
180.
Damn, that's why y'all carried. That's why y'all carried on that test. That's what's up. So look, that will give us the arc length. This will give us the arc length of remember, this is how we write arc. This will give us the arc length of AB, right?
Yeah.
This what goes into today's madness. Watch. Hold on, stay with me because I got y'all. We right here on the precipice. This arc length, central angle, is going to be your basis. Today, what you're going to calculate is this thing called an inscribed shape, angle. Any shape that we have, let me get this out the way because we got circled. And can I erase this because y'all got this, correct?
Yeah.
So because of that, we now going to talk, we're going to really look inside this in circle. So let's say I had another angle. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. I had another angle in here that went from here, and the vertex was here, and then I had the other side of it go here. And then I'm going to call this angle E. And then I will ask you, what's the measurement of angle E? Anybody will know how to get that? You don't know yet. You're about to find out. If you look, this is the vertex. Anytime or any shape that's inside a circle or anything that we're dealing with, if it's inside this, Isaac, and we should have our notes, if the vertex is inside, angle E is what we call an inscribed angle. This is an inscribed angle. And jot this down, Angel, and Aaron. Any shape or any angle whose vertex, we getting this, Dylan, lies on the circumference of a circle. Internally. Inscribed angle. That's the name of it. Any shape or angle whose vertex, Dylan, lies on the circumference of the circle, Sophie. This is called an inscribed angle. All right, so in this case, angle E is an inscribed angle. This is very simple, chat. All right, the inscribed angle. The formula for an inscribed angle, any inscribed angle, all it does is equals 1/2 the arc length or the central angle. 1/2 the arc length or central angle. Because the central angle and the arc length equal each other. And that's our formula for today. Inscribed angle, 1/2 the arc length divided by the central angle. Ready for an example? Y'all are this is a very smart group. Y'all gonna get this really quick. Watch this. Let's say in this example right here, with with arc AB equals 70. What would be the value if arc AB is 70? What's the value of angle E? If arc AB is 70, what's the measurement of angle E? The inscribed angle is 1/2 the arc length or the central angle. So what's AB? AB is a what? Is that a central angle? Yes? So what would angle E be? 35. Do y'all see that? It's just that simple. All right, let's try a couple examples. And then we're going to give you ones where it's going to be really complicated. So look, I'm about to give you the notes. We're going to do this sheet together. Ready? Let's do it. Hey, ask questions. Let me know when I can erase that. Let's do it. Take one pass. Take one pass. Oh. It's double-sided. Take one, pass it.
I really want to place the eye.
You guys should go to Epstein, right?
Y'all on Speroni ain't time. Y'all are on tape. You know the tape is running. John Lucas Speroni and Tom Nasty.
I want everybody to know.
Talk. They can hear y'all talking.
Good.
Where?
Talking about where you want to go.
Dumbass.
No, they cannot.
Oh, I didn't even realize.
They have to look like.
Oh yeah, we're fine.
I was born
Shit,
shit.
like, just to
Can I erase this?
I go to the bathroom and switch.
Hold on. After you get this first one right.
They say shoot and shoot. They Yahoo. What's up?
Ooh. Chat, we on this side. Come on. We on this side, chat.
Okay, we're not going to do
Yes? Who didn't get a pay?
Smaller than 90.
That's a crime.
Tyler 2027. Yo, Tom. Tyler 2027.
All right, chat, we here. Start on this side, chat, the easy side. Let's build this thing. Let's build it. We here on the easy side first. That way you can, if you lost, you can ask questions. Let's talk. Look at this first one. Now, this is what I need y'all to do so you can understand everything. Watch. They are asking us for EOG. They want this one. They want EOG. What I need you to do is on the side, write EOG, then put a line, then give me another one of the other one here. What in the world?
Eugene. Oh.
Then I want another one here where there's two angles we talking about. We got angle GFE, right? Now, before we start this, all I want you to do is write. Tell me, which one is the central angle? Which one is the inscribed angle? And we can use logos. So just, what is EOG? Is that central angle or inscribed?
Central.
Just write SCN in there so that you, or cent, so that you know that that's a central angle. Did you write that, Dylan, or we still Rubik's Cube?
First thing you.
Then GFE, hello? GFE would be what?
36.
No, GFE is what? Central or inscribed?
Inscribed. So
Go ahead and label it as inscribed. Now give me the points. GFC, the inscribed angle is what?
Huh?
What's the value of the inscribed angle?
36.
Huh?
36.
36 degrees. We know the formula is that the inscribed angle is half the central angle. It's half the central angle. So, what should I have here? How should this look?
72.
My answer should be what? EOG should be what?
72.
72.
You got that right.
Do you understand that, Aranza?
Uh-huh.
The inscribed angle is half the central angle. See, Isaac, we understood that? Emma? All right, Emma, let's talk. They talking X, Y, Z. They want X, Y, Z. Which one is that? Is that the central or the inscribed?
Inscribed.
I gotta hear from her. All right. So that's the inscribed. They gave us the what? ZOX is what? Angle ZOX is what?
Central.
That's your central. We already know inscribed is half a central, so what should your answer be?
52.5.
Hmm?
You said
52.5.
Very good. Very good.
I got all of them.
Half. It's half. Oh, these easy. We ain't got to the other side yet.
I'm gonna go to the other side. I saw it.
Yeah, you take a look at it if you want. Hold on. Can I slide chat? Let me hold on. Let them get it. If you notice, you're just looking. The central one to be in the center of the circle from your formula. And then anything that's touching the vertex, OJ, is half of that. Can I slide 3 and 4?
I was born short.
Oh, it's
It's probably day.
Yalla.
Yeah? All right. Talk to me. They're looking for RST. Which one is that? That was your inscribed. And so TOR would be my what?
Your central.
Yep. Angle TOR is your central, and that equals, we already know that's 100. So the inscribed should be what?
50.
Let's go, Isaac. 50 degrees. This one's 50. Half of the central angle, Sophie. Central angle is always in the center. Just look for the center. Got this, Ed? Slide? Mia, we good with this? So, if I got BOC on number 4, they want BOC. BOC is my what? Center.
Central.
Yeah. This time BOC is the central, and ACB now is your inscribed.
What's that?
Or CAB is your inside. CAB we said is 32. So what should your central be?
64.
64. Way not to be tricked. Good, Batista. Because now BOC was the center angle. So BOC is your double. Center angle is double the inscribed. Can I slide?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes? All right. Last 2 simple ones. Then it's about to get crazy. Let's talk some word problems.
No measure 16. Should be 8.
I don't know. You better read it right first.
No, third.
You better read it right. Read it right. Let's go, New York. Number, what's this saying?
It's 8, right?
Hold on. You said the central angle is 16, so the inscribed gotta be what?
8.
Let's go. This time your central angle, they want to know the central angle. If the inscribed is 65,
130.
nice. Way to go, reverse. Time and dot. Did y'all get that?
What is this?
Time and dot, yes?
What?
Y'all got that?
Oh yeah, we do have that.
Alright, about to get crazy. Alright, Paulina, let's go. Let's turn up a little bit. Let's take it up some. We taking it up some. Hold on. Flip it over, chat.
Yeah, please start every 3 though.
Oh, yeah. Now we talking. Now we talking. Hold on. Now it's starting to look like for real, with Dr. Strange throwing up when he
Get me one. Deal.
get one or what? You need a couch?
Yeah.
All right.
No bathroom.
Slide. Yes?
Nice one, Deal. Where's my actually?
Oh, yeah, she got it for you, dumbass.
Chat. All right, chat. We got to lock in here. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Please lock in so y'all can get these. This is more like how your test questions going. Yeah.
What's like a random ass circle?
I don't know. It's
I've been
just.
looking at it like the whole.
It's been sitting there for the longest. Last week it was like a letter. This week is a dot and an S. Y'all got calculators, chat?
Yes.
Now look. Now they done remixed it. And it looks like the Dr. Strange thing. You're right. So now, yeah, we're going to need Dr. Don's on this.
Come on, Dr. Dan.
Chat. They're asking us for L, N, K. They're asking us for L and K. This one's tricky. Take a look. Hey. Chat. L and K is my what?
Your inscribed.
Okay. Keep it low. Label that as inscribed. So whatever we get, we're going to have to divide it by 2. Now watch. Are y'all watching?
Yeah.
Watch this. What did they give us?
Central.
Nah. Okay, yeah, they gave us a central. They gave us a central circle of what? 68. But it's not on this central, not the central of this side, right?
Yeah.
We need this central angle. So look, what did they give? If gotta pay attention. Look what they gave you. They gave you a 68, but this 68 falls on this right here. What would you call this? All straight lines, right? And what do we know about straight lines? Straight lines add up to what?
180.
180. So this entire straight line means all of this, hello?
Yeah.
All of this in blue, all of this in blue equals what?
180.
Hold on. About to see where we going. So all of this in blue is 180, even overlapping our triangle. But hold on though. Out of all of that in blue, you got a piece of the pie that's cut. And you said a portion of this blue is what?
68 degrees.
68 degrees. Meaning this side from K to L
112.
has to equal what?
112.
Hold on. Now from here on in, you said now this is now what?
112.
Which is also falls between our what though? This also falls within our what? You said this is 112. 112. Hold on. But that falls within the shadow of our what? Of our what angle?
Inscribed?
Our inscribed angle. So if our inscribed angle in here, the central angle is 112, what would then our angle N be? Or what would I have to do to this 112? What would I have to do to this 112 to get angle N?
You have to divide it
By,
two.
because we know inscribed angles are 1/2 of the central angle, and you just told me the central angle was 112. So our answer should be
56.
amazing. Amazing. So our answer is 56 degrees for that. Because it fell within our central angle. Remember, this was all of this was our central angle. Can I slide to number 2?
Yeah.
Yes?
Wow, dude, we did pretty bad.
Could have been.
Could be.
Yeah, for sure.
Greater than one after the straight line.
Which I don't mind.
I'm not opening that one again.
Sliding to number 2.
How long have we had it?
What we got?
I'm gonna guess 194.
Chad, what are they asking us for?
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z. Hold on, gotta look. Watch. Oh, wait. Chad, they want this. X, Y, Z. Meaning they want all of this. Fellas, I need y'all to lock in.
My heart.
Hello?
They keep touching each other.
I don't care. They need all of this here. Yes? Yes? What did they give us? Is pink inscribed or central?
Inscribed.
Alright, so watch. That's inscribed. What else did they give us?
Central.
Huh?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
97 degrees.
Goodbye.
The central being what?
97 degrees.
So hold on, time out. Watch this. What did you tell me that so look, the central angle covers all of this of the circle. Do you see that? What do we know about a circle's total? Huh? 360. So let's say if the circle is 360 and the central angle on this side, they took away what of it?
97.
97 of it. So how much space are we dealing with going this way? How much is all of this?
263.
So all of this you're dealing with is 263.
That's a lot taken off.
I know, but what do we need? What do we need?
What?
What will we have to do to that? If all of that is 263, the entire circle, the rest of it is 263, we will have to do what to it?
Divided.
By
2. I knew it. Oh my god. Smart.
131 point something.
Let me double check that, chat. Your answer should be 131.5. Let me double check.
Could be still 64.
I didn't think it would have been even wrong.
I'm not gonna keep wrong. Now, did a lot of work for that. See, that's the
Very good, chat. We on point. We are on point. Can I slide?
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, now we gotta walk this one.
Remember, because the central angle was at 93, meaning the entire circle was 263. We had to divide that by 2. Can I slide?
Wait.
This the one y'all need help with, number 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we wanted to check to see.
All right, you can double check. Sophie, you good with this? All right, hold on. We practicing today. Can I slide?
Yeah.
Wait, gotta wait for everybody to be good. Yes? 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 Y'all gotta talk to me. Y'all not saying nothing. All right, let's slide down to 3 and 4 because these look a little bit more like the assignments that you're going to get. You want to always first label and identify the central angles. So now, well, first let's see what they want us to get. They want RST. Come on, man. They want RST. Which is RST? Central or inscribed?
Wait, why is J number 3 different?
No, this is the one that.
Wait a minute.
My sheet's different?
We already did it.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on this side. Wrong side. Sorry. I was on the wrong side. Caroline.
What do you want?
What you get?
Ain't no way.
What do you mean?
Oh,
Oh, that's what you know you did.
yeah, I gotta fill out the written one. All right. We are here. Inscribed angles. 3 and 4. Alright, so check. They want angle, or where I'm at. Doc Dines, Cap.
Yeah.
This is the question y'all looking for. Angle ACB. They want ACB. Is that central or inscribed?
Inscribed.
Very good. So that's inscribed. So this one we know is going to be half. Right? Now. No, I'm going to tell you. It's got to be half the central angle of BOA. What do we think BOA is? Think about it. If this is 120 and that's 124,
I'm gonna assume it is
200 and
24.
so, and that's our what? Angle BOA is our central, or is it what? Clearly it's our central. So our central angle equals again what?
124.
That's 2 what?
24.
no.
2 what?
220.
Come on, that's why you need calculators.
244?
244. You would have made a simple mistake. So your central angle is 244. If the central is 244, and we know the inscribed is half, what should my answer be?
122.
122.
Interesting.
No, that's not right. That's not right. That's not right.
It's not right.
That's not right.
Let's go. Let's
Because
go.
BOA.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Remember some guy first and like,
You got a minus 220, 240.
That's not correct.
60, so like. Yeah.
That's not correct. Chat. That means these two. Sorry. All right. Do that. The door threw me off.
You lied to me, bro.
No, these two add up. These two angles add up to 244, making this what?
116.
Thank you.
160.
You gotta take 360 from 244. That makes what again?
116, I got that one.
Yeah, 116. Now, hold on. That means your central angle BOA
58.
is 116, and you got to do what to this 116? And my answer should be 58 degrees.
Yo, you messed me up, bro.
Alright.
58 degrees.
I knew I was right.
Oh yeah.
Good job on that. Good job. All right, 3 more, and then we out of here for the day. Three more. I think, or 4 more. Is it? Yeah, I just want to cover these today. It won't be a homework today. When I see y'all on Wednesday, we will. Go ahead. All right, now let's talk. Right here, I got FEG. FEG. FEG is a what kind of angle? Inscribed, because the vertex is on the circumference. So that's inscribed. Making GOF our what?
Central.
So GOF is going to be our central. But time out. We know our inscribed is half the central. But we got to figure out what's the central. They only gave us a what here? They told us this is 42. But what would we call this right here? What would I call this shape?
Triangle.
What do we know about isosceles triangles? Well, they add to 180. And then one side here is 42. That means this side got to also be what?
42.
42. Time out. Time out. Now, if you told me these two are 42, they make what?
84.
And then that's now going to make our central angle of O what?
106.
So now, hold on. Our central angle.
It's 96. Ellie.
Wait, 42 and 42 is 84?
Yeah.
96.
What do you say? 108? Yeah, you're right. No, that's my bad for even not checking that. 96. Starting out. He just came from taking the test. So that means, hold on, chat. Let me clean that up. Our central angle here now, that makes our central angle a value of 96, meaning that our vertex on the inscribed angle would be what?
48.
Let's go.
48.
Let's go.
What's the shape of that?
48.
PTQ. Let's find PTQ. Chat in the chat. So PSQ is
I know you're down.
1. Then PTQ. That's. What you say? Oh, I know what PTQ is.
We're not finding that.
Wait, Mr. Richard,
Finance.
What are you talking about? So Friday it was crazy. They was all fighting over which cars. Certain cars go fast, so you gotta race them the right way. I ain't gonna break. You can't break it over till Friday because you know. Can I slide? What happened, Dar? I'm gonna try to sneak it in real quick. I'm gonna try to. All right, chat. Let me slide. Feel like getting in some trouble this Monday. Let's go. Let's go. Why not, huh? Let's get in a little trouble. All right, 3 more, and then let's shake up, shake, rattle, and roll. Oh no! This is definitely a test question, chat. Definitely a test question. All right, what they give us? Can we work together?
PSQ is 51.
And then, hold on. PSQ, that's this. PSQ. What is that, Leon? What kind of angle?
That is the in I was about to call it isosceles.
Nah, that's inscribed. Right? So, that's 51. Hold on. So if that's inscribed, right? One thing I can definitely easily get away in is on the inside of that with Q, O, and P will be my what angle?
Central.
Yeah, because it's with the O. So think about it. If PSQ, you just told me PSQ is 51, what would that make O? What would that make POQ if it's my central angle?
100.
Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh.
No.
Come on.
25.1.
What?
I mean 25.5.
I think you had it right the first time.
102.
102.
I knew it.
Yes, you were right the first time. So you know that's 102 degrees, right? Think about it. Now hold on. Now look at this here. You also got PRQ. What is PRQ? That's also a what kind of angle? These two. Look at these two, chat.
They're the same. So
If you ever have two inscribed angles that share a central angle, you already know they what to each other? They congruent or fancy term. Equal or fancy term congruent. So you know PRQ is also 51 degrees. So now, we got an answer now. What would now be P or QTP or PTQ? We now need all of this.
I think it's
So
360.
360 minus 102.
Wait a minute. So we know that this is. Well, if this no. Take a look. Hold on, Bass and them. Look here. You told me my central angle of this, right? All of this was 102. So then what would the rest of it have to be? From here, look, this piece. Damn, wrong color. This piece of everything was 102. So that means everything else gotta be what?
It's gonna be 258.
Everything else in orange. All the rest of this in orange gotta be what?
258.
I got that.
Wait, that don't mean that's our answer. Hold on.
No, it's not.
It's 258.
Divided by
But we gotta do what to it?
Divided by
Divided by
Come
two.
on, let's go, Bass.
So I did that.
And then that make it what?
129. Oh my god.
129 degrees. Yeah, y'all definitely did.
Oh.
Chat, good work today. That's all I wanted
You guys
to
would have been
do was introduce that. That was a long session. I'm about to post that one. Because my first period gonna really struggle with that. That was a session. 129.